Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Justin Lin here at Rehab and Revive Physical Therapy, where we rehab your mind to revive your body. Today, we want to talk about how to get on a treadmill correctly, get the right posture, get things moving. I know it sounds super simple, you just hit the go button, but sometimes a lot of people are getting injured and doing it the wrong way. And then they smack their face on the little belt and then it hurts. So stay tuned and let's avoid that. So why the treadmill? I think that it's a great tool, a great equipment to absorb shock. So if you've got knee problems, hip problems, ankle problems, it's really hard to run on the road and or grass outdoors sometimes. And sometimes, like in sunny Southern California, we get 100-degree weathers. So I have no control of that. If you live in the East Coast during the winter time, guess what? It gets cold. So at least you have some consistency to get cardiovascular exercise, and it's a great way to do it, setting yourself up correctly. So we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna show you the right way to run.
All right, so we're here at our treadmill. We're testing out our new toy, our Bowflex here at Rehab and Revive. So I really love treadmills. Like I said, I think it's good for certain populations who also want to avoid road running or being on the grass and outdoor different acclimate weathers. So what we want to do here is we want to get things started here. And I always tell people it's all about aligning yourself correctly, setting yourself up right. So it's gonna be important that we set ourselves up, just like we'll flash a picture of a good alignment. You wanna align your throat, your sternum, your belly button, and your pelvis, all in one line. So I'll try to zoom out here, but we wanna get that going. As I get faster, I'm tipping over. I'm trying to fall and catch myself. I'm not trying to be a pogo stick like a lot of people do when they're running. I'm trying to fall forward. One way to do it, you can either hit incline and get a little bit more forward lean. That makes things tougher. And then you can really work on pushing off. These are some little warm-ups. Really get things, grip the belt of the treadmill and really pull through. Just like a puma trying to get its prey, or a cheetah. Really just pull through, pull through, pull through. Sometimes I'm actually just in there really just doing this. I'm really just trying to pull the belt. And so, like I said, I love this treadmill because I really can get things going. I'm really working on that. And how your foot lands, a lot of people are curious about that. You want to land closer to the middle back of your foot. It's not your heel, because every time I hit the heel, I'm gonna collapse. So it's a little different than running on the road. So you want to tip forward. I like the image of Looney Tunes' Roadrunner. And we want to, as you go faster, you're gonna watch me, I'm gonna lean, I'm gonna hinge through my pelvis or hinge through where that pubic bone is. So start watching and we're gonna talk about it as we go. So I'm gonna go a little faster. I've got my 4-dot alignment. I've got this at an incline of 2 and I should be getting there a little bit faster now. And so I've got this 4-dot alignment and I'm just taking my feet and really just trying to claw through and pull through. And my head, my line of sight should really be more than 15 feet ahead. I'm not looking up here at the end of the wall. I'm looking down, and that is gonna be the key. And then at the very end, you're just trying to pull through that belt, go with the belt. If I wanna go faster, you'll see. I lean a little bit more forward and now my line of sight is like 10 feet. And I'm just gonna stop that, but and you can see as I'm letting up, my hinge is getting less. So, whew, what a workout. Stay tuned.
All right, so hopefully you found these methods and these tips super easy to do, and we want you to, of course, run safely while you're on the treadmill and you're just getting that sweat on. So Make sure that this is the right exercise for you, that you're allowed to be on a treadmill. Check with your healthcare professional. And if you leave a like, we'd really be grateful for it. And if you have any questions or comments regarding all these new tips and stuff, we'd love to hear your feedback. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we're always pumping out new stuff weekly. So please subscribe below. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.